Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT 7T, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, before we get started, I'm actually going to quickly mention something. So, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And I don't actually have any kind of screen lock, but the process would be exactly the same. Either you're on a home screen or a lock screen, doesn't matter. Hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and then swipe down to turn off your phone. When the device turns off, you will then hold power button and volume down at the same time, and let go of the power button when you see the Realme logo like it's visible right now. Now when it disappears, the Realme logo, you can also let go of the volume down as well. And from here, click on your desired language. For me, that is going to be English. There's only 3 options, and English is the only one that I understand. Next, you want to click on Format Data, and then type in this code. So this will be different for you, obviously. So type whatever it shows for you, not for me. So for me it's 9459, and when you type it in correctly, it gives you this pop-up at the bottom: Format Data, all user data will be reset. You're going to click on Format, so begin factory resetting your device. Once it's finished, click on OK, and this will now reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now this will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we should be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.